Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, you will need to allow some permissions for the notifications to work. And the first part of the permissions is basically in the app itself. So we need to allow some permission for the application. To do it, press and hold on the Garmin Connect icon, tap on App Info, then permissions, and for the notifications to work, you will need to allow contacts, call logs, phone, and SMS. As you can see, I have them already allowed, but if you don't, you can simply tap on one, tap on allow, and do the same for the rest. So basically SMS, phone, contacts, calendar, call logs. And once you allow them, you can close the page and now go to settings on your phone. And basically what you need to do is to find the notification access. And sometimes if you don't have it enabled and it's required for the notifications to work, you will have the notification from the Garmin Connect application that the access is required for the notifications. It's requesting, you have connected the devices that are requesting notifications, tap to enable notifications to be sent to this device. And if you see this notification, you can simply tap on it and then tap on allow, and that's it. That means you allowed the required permission, but I'm gonna deny it for now. Let's say you don't see this notification. You need to go into settings on your phone and basically find it, which is a bit tricky sometimes because on each version of Android, this option is called differently. Or maybe not each version, but on some of the versions. For example, this is Nothing Phone and it's called differently than on OnePlus, for example. And so it's a bit tricky to find, but usually it's in the special app access menu. And to open that menu, you go to the settings, apps, and then scroll down and tap on special app access. And usually this option is here. On this phone, it's called notification read, reply, and control. On the different devices, it could be called something like device and apps notifications or something like that. Or special app, not special app access, but notification access. Something in those vicinities, basically, something like this. And you can tap on this option, find the Garmin Connect application on the list. Usually, if the permission is not enabled, it will be on not allowed list. But we need to then find it, tap on it, and here we have this option, allow notification access. And this needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. So tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can close the settings. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application and change some settings for our notifications. So tap on More, Garmin Devices, and then tap on Forerunner 970. Here tap on Notifications and Alerts, and then Smart Notifications. And here we can change some settings for our notifications. We can turn them on or off as the whole thing. We can then also customize how the specific types of notifications behave. We have calls, texts, and apps. First, let's tap on calls. And here you can turn them on or off, the notifications. You can also enable and disable the tone, so the beeping sound or some other sound, basically. And the vibration. You can turn it on or off. Then you have apps. You can do similar things. And then finally, texts. So adjust it to your liking. You don't need to follow me exactly. Then we have privacy option. This option, basically, if you turn it on, your watch will obscure the content of the notification. And to reveal it, you will need to either press the start button or perform the wrist gesture if you select gesture option. Then we have the timeout. Basically, how long the notification stays on the screen. And we have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. And finally, we have signature, and we can turn it on and off. And once you change the settings for your notifications, go back to the main page for the settings, sync the devices together by tapping on this button. And once they're synced, the settings should be applied. So now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Okay, and we should get the notification on our phone and also on our watch, which is working, as you can see. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.